Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on our Aero project in Adobe Aero. So in our previous lesson we learned to do this UI, okay, for defensive design. Okay, now in this lesson we would want to create our quizzes. Okay, so already I've created the questions and then now we want to create the quizzes in Google Forms. Okay, so if you have a Google account you have to scroll down and then look for forms. Okay, so let's wait for forms to load. Then I'm going to select a blank form. Okay, you can give your project a title. So let me give it interactive questions. Okay, so let me caps this interactive questions. Then we'll give our form a description. So I'll put some short description here. It's not that much space to here. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, our form is going to collect emails just so we know, understand our population. Okay, those taking this lesson. Okay, so if it's a school, basically, yeah, you can take the emails. Okay, now let's look at our questions. So we want our multiple questions. Let's see our multiple questions. Or first, let's ask for the name of the person. So for the name, let's change this to short answer. Then we'll paste it here. Okay, it's a required field. Okay, so it's going to be a required field. Select another one. There's going to be multiple choice. So our multiple choice question is going to be, since our project is about the animal cell, we're going to use this kind of questions. Okay, concerning the animal cell. Okay, then we'll put here true, then here false. Okay, okay, you can add other. Okay, um, then let's add. You can use this to duplicate if you want something similar like this. So our next question is going to be this. There's going to be a drop down. So let's change this to a drop down. Okay. Then the options, we have our options cell wall, cell membrane. So we also want our students or learners to be able to input their details. Okay, they should supply us with their own understanding about a topic or a subject. So we want the students to give us their own answers. Okay, so we want them to give us a paragraph. Okay, so let's see. So they should write something about their understanding. I choose short answer, but let's use paragraph. Okay, you can decide to choose a short answer too. Okay, let's leave it this here. So it's also a required field. You can decide to uncheck it. Okay, but let's make it required. Then our last question is going to be, okay, so the country. So we want to know the exact people or the country for which people are taking our quizzes. Okay, so let's paste this here and then yeah, short answer. Okay, so basically this is the interactive quiz. Now our settings, let's see what we can do. Make this assign point value sets and okay, so let's try this. So let's set our question to 3. Okay, so the points to 3. Yeah, we want always, you should always send a copy of their response. No, we don't want them to edit their response, so it's just a one time. Let's leave this require sign in limit to one response. Let's check it. Okay, so yeah, okay. Yeah, so this, okay, and then let's see. Okay, so now let's go and then let's make our UI interesting by clicking here. So we want to make it more interesting. So you can decide to give it a color, or let's choose a header. So let's see how the header would look like. So we can decide to choose any of the headers, or um, let's use this. We'll insert it. So it's going to be our header image. Okay, so yeah, so this is quite okay. Then let's see. So let's add a feedback. Incorrect. Um, let's type kindly take the experience again. And then with our correct answer, we'll say good, you did great. Or you can provide feedback concerning the mitochondria. Okay, so save. You can set a link and the likes. Okay, so the answer is true. Okay, for this one. So let's work on this one too. So yeah, answer key. Let's set this to, let's say, 2, and then the answer is going to be cell wall. Okay, let's give it a feedback of going please, sorry, this is wrong. Then this one is going to be great. Okay, so you can just follow along to do the same thing throughout your lesson. Then click done. Then I think now we can share our project. Okay, so there's the total points. Okay, so now let's share our link. Okay, so I'm going to use this link. Let's see, include form in email. Yeah, cool. Already embedded. Let's rather use this, and then we'll shorten the link. Okay, then let's copy our link. Then we can use this link in our project. Okay, so in the next lesson we'll connect the link to our project, and then we'll launch it and then test it. Okay, so by before that, what we'll do is to actually work on the UI. Okay, this particular one in Adobe Aero, just so we can insert the link. Okay, thank you.